Hi, my name is John of JWH Millinery and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to be counting down to Christmas with day 14. So what do you think is in day 14? I don't actually know. That doesn't sound good. I need to stop shaking these boxes. Ooh, what have we got in here? So this is a 2-day thing. So we have a green teardrop fascinator base, which bases always come in handy, and we also have some ferrules, which these are like a millinery staple. You won't be able to see them. These are a definitely millinery staple. If you don't know what these are, these join together wire, so then you can, there we go, that's probably as best I'm going to get. So you can join wire together and it just keeps that shape. So these are always good. Thank you, the Advent Calendar gods, for this. This is very much needed. So day 14. Question of the day is, what music do you listen to? I listen to a fair bit of music. It can vary. At the moment, a lot of my music is kind of drag related music. It's basically music by drag queens. If anybody knows me, I'm obsessed with drag queens. So yeah, my playlists tend to feature those very heavily. I have a playlist on this channel regarding hats made inspired by drag queens, so make sure you check that out. It will be listed just here somewhere if I can make sure I get it right. Yep, that way. So yeah, that was quick and easy. This is a very quick video. Thank you very much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. It is listed in the description box below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, comment and subscribe all together. It doesn't take 2 seconds to do, so just make sure you do that for me. If you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. We're uploading every single day in December at 8 AM UK time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.